Dang. Alright boys, so today we're going to be removing the sound deadening on the front side of my car. We already did the back a few weeks ago, so if you guys want to see how I did that, I used dry ice to remove all that. And then also this, I'm going to use dry ice to remove this side as well. These things are actually quite heavy and they look like poop, so we're going to just delete all this stuff. Some of you guys might say it's cheaper to do it with a heat gun or a torch because you could just scoop it off, but that gets really gooey and nasty. And I don't have time for all that, so I'm just gonna use dry ice because last time we did it, we removed whole panels of the sound deadening just using dry ice. So let's go get some dry ice from our friends at Ice Blast Works and then get this started. Ah! It's all over my feet. All right, this is like the best thing ever right here. Watch this. We're just gonna pour it all over. What do you guys call this? Rice ice or rice, because look, it looks literally like rice. So if you have like the giant pieces of dry ice, it might take you a little longer, but the rice ice is like the best because you could just literally shape it and it just like works. Dang, one piece. Dude, this is so cool. Whoa, look at that. Hell yeah. Yeah. These are super thick up here. Look at that. Holy crap. That's thick. That was on there hard. Oh, yeah. Dude, this would not be fun without dry ice. Yeah. Ooh, caps. So about 2 hours later, yeah, it took that long. We got all these pieces removed. There too, and over here. And you guys would not guess how much that actually weighs. I don't know, but it feels like at least 20 pounds of crap that are removed from there, here, and on that side. So if you guys are trying to lose some weight, it's probably a good idea to get rid of all this stuff. I do need to cover all these holes right here because the caps that I have right here, they're kind of covered in tar, so I'm gonna have to either clean it up or just cap these things. But there you go, nice and tinny. I totally forgot to mention this, but if you guys are peeling all this sound deadening stuff, you're gonna need to wipe off all this tar stuff. So what I use is actually just chain cleaner. This right here, Maxima chain cleaner, and look, cleans all this crap up. Used to look like this.